Tapescript 2.6.4.
Abilities. Can you ride a bicycle? Now you can learn to fix, repair, and maintain your own bicycle. You can start making money repairing your friends' bicycles too. In future courses, you can learn to adjust your handlebars and install bike grips. Continue with the course, you can learn to keep your bicycle spokes, rims, and brake cables in good shape. Promises. With our first course, we will teach you basic bicycle repair. You will learn how to patch and change your inner tubes and tires, fix a chain that has fallen off, and adjust your saddle height. The best part is it will only take 30 minutes to learn these skills. After your first video, we will email you every 2 weeks with a new video in our awesome do-it-yourself series. You will be saving money on expensive repairs in no time.